To link your PayPal account in Whop 2024, start by logging into your Whop account and navigating to the payment settings. Click on the Add Payment Method option and select PayPal from the list of available payment providers. You will be redirected to the PayPal website where you will need to log into your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal email address and password to authenticate your account. Review the terms and conditions of the payment agreement and click Agree to proceed. You will be redirected back to the Whop website where you will need to confirm the linking of your PayPal account. To confirm, click on the Confirm button and your PayPal account will be successfully linked to your Whop account. You can now use your PayPal account to make payments on the Whop platform. Make sure your PayPal account is verified and has sufficient funds to avoid any payment issues. It is also important to note that Whop may charge a small fee for using PayPal as a payment method. Check the Whop website for the most up-to-date information on payment fees. By following these steps, you can easily link your PayPal account in Whop 2024 and start making payments using your PayPal account.